Hola, buenos días. Hoy vamos a hablar de triángulos y las tres clases de triángulos que se pueden clasificar por las partes de adentro, sus ángulos. Hay triángulos agudos, hay triángulos obtusos y hay triángulos rectos. Bueno, una de las primeras cosas que es muy importante saber es que todos los triángulos, cuando sumas los tres ángulos de adentro, van a medir 180 grados. 180, eso es el número o un número muy importante. All triangles, if you add up their three angles, are going to measure 180 degrees. Okay, so keep that in mind. Remember that. So let's take a look at some triangles. So we said the first kind was an acute triangle. So if we look here, we have three acute angles. Tienes tres ángulos agudos. For it to be an acute triangle, all three angles have to be acute. And you could see that all three angles are going to be acute, and therefore it's an acute triangle. Acute angles are less than 90 degrees. Vamos a ver ahora otro triángulo agudo. If we look here, we have three acute angles. That makes it an acute triangle. Now, triangles are very important in football because if you use triangularization, that helps you to maintain possession. And if you maintain possession of the ball, you're going to have a better chance of winning the ball. So triángulos son muy importantes en el fútbol. Si haces el espacio y haces triángulos, puedes mantener la posesión del balón. So that's the first kind of triangle. An acute triangle where all three angles are acute. Let's take a look now at an obtuse triangle. Now, in an obtuse triangle, you're going to have one angle, just one, that's going to be obtuse. If you have one obtuse angle, it automatically is an obtuse triangle. And you could see here, this angle right here is more than 90. It's opening up. So that is automatically an obtuse triangle. Si tienes un ángulo obtuso en el triángulo que está abriendo más que 90, se puede decir que es un triángulo obtuso. Vamos a encontrar otro. If we look here, we have an obtuse triangle. See that top angle is obtuse right here. Este es un triángulo obtuso. You also have another one right here. You have an obtuse triangle. So there's three obtuse triangles. Now let's take a look at another very special kind of triangle, which is going to be a right triangle. Un triángulo recto. Now a right triangle, we look here, is going to have just one angle that's going to be a right angle. So a lot of times they'll put a little box here in the corner to indicate that it's 90 degrees, that it's a 90-degree right angle. So un triángulo recto va a tener una esquina que mide 90 grados. Muchas veces te ponen esta cajita en la esquina indicando que es 90 grados. It's 90 degrees. So that's a right triangle. Now, one of the things that you can do, knowing that all triangles measure 180 degrees, is you can find a missing angle, almost like algebra. So let's say they tell you that this angle here in the top is 40 degrees, and you know that this angle in the corner is 90. Well, you have your equation now, 90 plus 40 plus the missing third angle, and we could use a variable n for that, equals 180. Well, to solve for this, you would add 90 plus 40, that's 130, and then you subtract that from the total. Luego lo restas del total. So 130 take away 180 is going to be 50 degrees. So the missing third angle here will be 50 degrees. Now, if you add up all three, 90 plus 50, 90 plus 50 is 140, and 140 plus 40 is 180 degrees. So we're going to have a short quiz at the end of this. And I would like you to work on this problem here on your own. Try to find a solution. What is the measurement of the missing angle in this right triangle? Just like the one we did. ¿Cuál es la medida del ángulo que falta en este triángulo recto? So you could answer that in the quiz that I am going to be providing and giving to you guys. I'm going to be trying to give you short little quizzes here to help you with your grades. And I hope everybody is safe and well, and I'll talk to you. Bye.